just arrived at another mine a little further down the road, and we'll just try and explore it. We don't think there's any way into the mountain from this one, so we just explore the buildings.
Sick. Holy fuck. This is so cool. All those electronics and machines. Yeah, this is definitely about to collapse. Yeah. Holy fuck. Hvis ikke det er lidt for voldsomt måske. Oh, this is nice. This is so cool. Holy shit. Og det var en fin lille shortcut. Og de holder kræfter med, at der ikke til en skid. Så skal man lige passe lidt på. I don't trust the floor actually, that's the problem here. That doesn't seem to hold up very well, to be honest. Fuck this. I don't know where to go actually, fuck me. Fuck this shit. Whew. Well, the condition of this abandoned mine building, factory, whatever it is, reminds me a little bit of those towers we climbed in Belgium. Those were also pretty shitty condition, and this is exactly the same, maybe even worse, to be honest, because so much is made out of wood. But yeah. Hope we survive this. Holy shit. Fuck. Huh. What in the fuck is this? Whoa. What the hell? We're high up, man. Damn. Damn.
Jeg synes fandme ikke, det er nærmere end det var.
Nej. Holy shit. Oh. Damn. Oh shit. Huh. This is like climbing paradise. Just jump around this building. Hope it doesn't collapse. It's pretty cool. Shit. Now this looks very sketchy. Oh, it feels pretty wobbly. Damn. I can feel it going up and down. Now, where are we going? Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. This is so sketchy, but damn, it's cool. Oh, this is not very good to stand on. Damn, whoa, what the fuck? Ned i et mørkt, sort hul.
Ligger det her sikkert?
Ja. Oh, this is steep. Damn. We are just declining. Der er lys derovre. Hold da op. Der er meget forskelligt herinde. Wow. Sygt nok. Er det ikke? Cool nok. Another mine. Pretty cool. Nu er vi her. Jamen altså.
Det er ikke en dejlig lyd at høre, synes du?
Ej, helt bestemt ikke. Yeah, you just continue to find new places in this building. I don't think we've been here. It's just sick. Oh, this is cool. Oh. Det kan godt blive lidt en udfordring. Skal jeg prøve at gå herover? Ja, jeg tror den førte op til et sted. Ja, så er det bare lige at lande, uden at det hele brænder sammen. Bare lige at lande her, uden det hele brænder sammen. What the fuck is it? Yeah. Now this is the way I talked about. Yeah, so we're going over the river now. Hopefully this will hold up.
So this, we're walking over the river now, and this tunnel is almost, I can see through the floor, so that's a very good sign.
Yeah, right above it. Now let's check this building first. Hold up. Wow. This is such a cool place. Look at this machine. God damn, it's huge. Some old safety glasses. An old mask. So I think we are finished with this place now. We'll just try to head down. Maybe there's one more mine, I don't know. But we'll definitely head down now. Oof, that's... Hold da kæft.